Making every moment count. Unlocking the power of now. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we're unraveling the meaning and significance behind the popular phrase, "Every moment counts." This saying is not just a collection of words, it's a profound reminder of the value of time and the importance of the present moment. So, let's explore together how this phrase can inspire and transform our daily lives. The phrase, "Every moment counts," is a powerful expression that emphasizes the importance of every single moment in our lives. It suggests that each second, minute, and hour holds value and should not be wasted. In this context, counts means that every moment is significant and can contribute to achieving something greater or enjoying life more fully. This phrase often appears in contexts where motivation, time management, and appreciation for the present are discussed. It's a call to action, urging us to make the most out of our time, to be mindful, and to live our lives with purpose and intention. Why does this phrase matter in our daily lives? Every moment counts serves as a reminder that life is made up of fleeting moments. It encourages us to be present, focus on the here and now, rather than dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. Value time. Recognize that time is a finite resource and should be used wisely. Take action. Motivate ourselves to take steps towards our goals and dreams without delay. By internalizing this message, we can enhance our productivity, improve our well-being, and lead more fulfilling lives. It teaches us to appreciate the small moments, find joy in the ordinary, and not take the time we have for granted. So, how can we apply this philosophy in our everyday life? Here are some practical tips. 1. Set clear goals. Knowing what you want to achieve helps to focus your efforts and make the most of your time. 2. Prioritize tasks. Determine what's most important and tackle those tasks first. This ensures that your energy is spent on what truly matters. 3. Practice mindfulness. Engage fully with the present moment. Whether you're working, spending time with loved ones, or enjoying a hobby. 4. Take breaks. Regular breaks can improve your focus and productivity, making the time spent on tasks more effective. 5. Reflect. Spend some time reflecting on your day, what you accomplished, and how you can improve tomorrow. In wrapping up, remember that "every moment counts" is more than just a saying, it's a mindset. By embracing the value of each moment, we can lead richer, more purposeful lives. We hope this video inspires you to make the most of your time and to cherish the present. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to sharing more insights with you in our future videos. Stay curious, stay motivated, and remember, every moment truly does count.